Hi my lovely viewers, this is Salawati World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set search box option on taskbar in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search options. Here I will click here, then go to the settings. Here we can set it easily. So in these sections we will go to the personalization, then we can get our entire thing. So now we will go to the taskbar. Basically in taskbar we will work the things what I want. So here the search option, so search what we want the search box. So follow it here, the search icon only. So if we press this the search box, so in between search box we will get things, the search icon as well as search icon with label. So click here, see in this box we will get everything, search icon, search label as well as the search box. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.